Okay. Hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will discuss naman about bearing, no? Bearing pa rin tayo but this time okay, from surveyor's method to soldier's method and vice versa. So from surveyor's method, i-read natin siya to soldier's method and from soldier's method, i-read natin siya to surveyor's method. Okay? Now, surveyor's method to soldier's method, example here. Give the following bearings in in army form or soldiers method, no? Army and soldiers, they are similar lang naman, no? Now, given that north 75 degrees east, no, is an example of surveyor's method. How can we read it in soldier's method? Again, first thing to do, lagi niyong idodraw muna. Idodrawing niyo muna yung angle, no? So north, east, south, west here. So 75 degrees kasi nga from north to east, no, bawal magkamali ha, bawal niyo unahin yung east papuntang north, dapat north or kaya south ang laging mauuna. Okay? So north to east, ibig sabihin 75 degrees, ito 'yon. Now, in a soldier's method, we can read it as kasi sa soldier's method true north tayo eh. Then clockwise, no? So here sundin lang natin 'to, then it is also 75 degrees. Okay? Similar lang. Okay? Pero not all the time ganun ha. Okay. Another one. South 35 degrees west. Ito yun. South west, no? Pag ganun, clockwise ang rotation niyan from south to west, di ba? Now 35 degrees daw yung sa surveyor's method. Now, what about for soldier's method? For soldier's method from north to west here, clockwise ang pag-count natin. Now, ilan yan? We have 35 degrees here plus ito from north to south is 80 degrees, 180 degrees. Add natin yung 180 degrees. Kasi class ito, 90 to eh. 90, 90 plus 35, no? Then we have 215 degrees. So we can read it as 215 degrees. Okay? Next, south 30 degrees east. Okay, if we draw naman this one, no, south to east, no, clockwise, I mean counterclockwise yan. Ito yung 30 degrees natin. Hindi ito ha, ito. Now, how can we read it in a surveyor's method? I mean in a army method. Again, from true north to here, ito yung soldier's method natin. Ilan yan? So here we have 90 plus, ito kasi 90 rin to eh. From east to south, 90 yan. So, may 30 na dito. Bawasan natin ng 30 yung 90. 90 minus 30 is 60. So, ibig sabihin, 60 to. Ito ha. Plus 90 ulit from here is 150 degrees. So, 150 degrees ang reading niyan. Okay? Now, from soldiers naman, soldier's method to surveyor's method naman tayo. Give the following bearings in surveyor's form. Now here, given the angle here, no, from soldier method, we have 120 degrees. Soldier method yan. I-draw natin. From north, here is 120 degrees. Now, how can we read it in a surveyor's method? Since nandito yung terminal side, okay, start tayo kay south, papuntang kay east. So, counterclockwise, yung angulo na babasahin lang natin is this one, itong part na to. Not this one, ito lang. So, ilan to? What should we do? Ito yun, oh. Yan, ito yung i-read natin, yung blue. Now, 180, kasi yung buo ito, 180, minus by 120 is 60. So, 60 to. South, 60 degrees east. Okay? Next, 335 degrees. Ito yun. If we draw this one, ito yung sa soldier's method, no? Yan. 335 degrees yan. Now, how can we read it in a surveyor's method? Ito yung terminal side natin. So, from north to west tayo. Okay? Not west to north, ha? North to west. Unahin natin lagi yung north o kaya yung south. Okay? So, ito yung i-read natin yung part na to. But since boto, halos buo yan eh, gamitin natin 360 degrees. Minus 335, that would be equal to 25 degrees. So, north 25 degrees west to. Pagbasa natin dito. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. Give the following bearings in surveyor's form. Meaning to say, ito yung soldier's method to. 100 degrees. I-draw natin yung 100 degrees in a soldier's form. We have north here, no? True north here is 100 degrees. So ang babasahin natin for surveyor's method ito. So now, ilan to? From north to south is 180. Subtract natin yung 100, that would be equal to 80 degrees. So 80 degrees to. So south, 80 degrees east. Okay? The next, 158 naman. Ito yon. 158. Ito yung i-read natin. Again, from north to south is 180 yan. Minus 158 is equal to 22. So 22 degrees to. So south, 22 degrees east. Okay? Next. Give the following bearings naman in army form naman. No? From surveyor's form to army form naman. North, 30 degrees west. So if we draw, ito yung northwest natin, no? 30 degrees. So sa army form, i-read natin from true north from here, no? So here, halos mabuo yung 360 degrees natin. So bawasan natin ng 30, then we have 330 degrees. Ito yon. Next, for south 15 degrees west naman, east tayo. Ito yon. Southeast na 15 degrees. Sila naman to for army form kasi from true north to terminal side eh. Then we have, kasi dito lang nakaka-cover niya, we have 180 minus 15 is 165 degrees. So 165 degrees yon. Okay? Okay, so that's it, no? So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Your quiz and assignment are to be followed na. Okay? So that's all. Goodbye and God bless.